Washington State, the Evergreen State. What is the future of this state? The products were generated from the Ohio Almighty of the industrial lands, factories making these products. So there's no way to ship them. You can't ship them by truck. You only can't go one way and the other way. Just a few costs. What made these gas-operated vehicles goes on the highway. So we need a faster transportation. You know, way, the one way is always the best. The Milwaukee Southern Railway Lines, America's resourceful railroad of the West. Only product to generate this railroad is the forest industry. It's the first revenue for this railroad has been hauling for so many years. The second generation of the Milwaukee Road. And more freight products this came up with this railroad, and more business revenue increased the possibilities for this railroad. This railroad is the one to finish it all. It was a small short line. Now it's expanding their operation to a third largest railroad. People thought this railroad ended around 1980. They thought wrong. The Milwaukee Southern Railway Lines is the second generation of the Milwaukee Road. Has survived in the future.